So as you can see, it's math time. Let's dive right in. Today I'm doing the AP Calc BC 2008 multiple choice problem number 4, which happens to be on page number 2. Considering this series, if the ratio test is applied to the series, which of the following inequalities results, implying that the series converges? So we know the series converges, so I guess it'll always be less than 1 here. But let's take a little bit of a refresher on what the ratio test is. The ratio test says that a series will converge if the limit as n approaches infinity of the plus 1 term over the original term is less than 1. So we know it converges. So let's do the plus 1 term over the original term and see what we get. Let's take a look at the solution now. Here I have the original problem, and here's the work I did. So what I did is I took the plus 1 term, and we know that the series was e to the n over n factorial. So the plus 1 term of e to the n would be e to the n plus 1 factorial. And then I divided by the original term, so I just multiplied by the reciprocal of n factorial over e to the n. We can rewrite e to the n plus 1 as e times e to the n, and we can rewrite n plus 1 factorial as n plus 1 times n factorial. This makes it easy because we can clearly cancel out the n factorials and the e to the n's, and we're left with e over n plus 1, and we know that the limit as n approaches infinity of that is 0, which is less than 1. And e over n plus 1 is option D, so D. Alright, thanks so much for tuning in to my Minecraft lecture. I don't know why I did this, but I hope you enjoyed.